The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Nolensville, or 7 miles east of Franklin, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Nolensville, and Troon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile marker 65 and 72. Interstate 24 between mile marker 60 and 72. Interstate 840 between mile markers 38 and 49 and near mile marker 60. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.